Antarctica, Earth's southernmost continent, is a vast, icy wilderness unlike any other. It's a realm of extremes defined by colossal glaciers, towering icebergs, and a bone-chilling climate. Despite its harsh conditions, wildlife thrives here. This is the home of the Arctic tern, a small gray and white bird with angular wings. It embarks on a remarkable migration from its Arctic breeding grounds to Antarctica, covering approximately 25,000 miles annually. Distinguished by a black cap, red legs, and bill during breeding, these social birds forage in groups and nest on the ground in Arctic colonies. Despite their petite size, they showcase resilience, resting on ice and navigating with graceful wings. The Arctic tern's migratory journey is not just a physical feat, but a poignant tale of beauty, community, and unwavering determination across the vast canvas of the Arctic and Antarctic landscapes. This video covers their incredible journey and gives you a glimpse into the lives of one of nature's most amazing